Okay, I just wanted to go over, excuse me, I'm messed up. We're going to go under the house in a minute, but I want to go over what I use to clean my ducts. So, we just use the chimney brush. So what I had to do is I had to cut this chimney brush down. So, depending on your ductwork configuration, you're going to have to take some really good wire snips to snip it down. So you can see what I did here. And then you have to adapt that pipe fitting onto PVC. So you can buy a bunch of PVC to get your run. Now, when you're doing this, you don't want to hard glue your 10-foot sections of PVC. You have to tape them. Because if you glue them, you won't get them apart to maneuver this stuff through the ductwork. And if you don't make sure they're secure, they'll fall apart in the ductwork. So, you know, tape the hell out of them with Gorilla Tape so they're flexible and they don't come apart. And you're going to ramrod this thing back and forth. You go inside, you go back and forth, and you shake it like this, and you go back and forth, and you clean the hell out of your ductwork while your fan's blowing. So you seal all the vents in the home, you cover them all up, you turn your heating or air conditioning on full blast, you leave the end vent open, because you're going to go underneath to run this through the end of your vent. You pull the cap off the end of your vent, and you start at the end, and you work your way towards the main line. And all that crap's going to blow out towards you. You got to be masked up, and you got to have eye protection. And that's how we did it, or how I did it. Just ran that through the end, 90 feet of vent. So, got it clean. So I just give a pointer on that, cleaning ducts, use a chimney brush, and go through and clean them. And that's going to dislodge anything that's in there and get them pretty darn clean.